Hello. It's not our usual Donna. It's so many Donnas. I want to show you guys what is happening at the Marmomac show. So obviously this is one of the machines. This is exactly the same one that I have and I do programs on and videos on. But what is amazing is now if I'm gonna show you, they are getting shown a brand new software which is 4.12. The 4.12 software, it's obviously new, but the biggest thing that I am interested in personally is can I stop her? Yeah, I should, but I don't know how. So there is one thing that I am particularly interested in is this. The drainer grooves now can be done by the machine. So my video that I've done using some silly technique will not work anymore. Well, will still work, but now Donatoni has provided a nice software update to get it correct. Now also you can see some other machines like P45, 425, not P45 because that's something completely different. So she's doing that. It's like a smaller version of that. Yeah? So this is a baby, this is a mommy. And then we can go, that's a water jet. Yeah? That's C438. C4 sounds like explosive, so obviously it could be explosive. But you see, this is water jet. So she will do cutting, milling, pretty much anything, and then the edge polishing as well, which is quite interesting. Yeah, there are some stations where the guys reasonably know what they want to do, what they want to show you, but if you have any more detailed questions, they have no clue. They have no clue, I'm not gonna lie. There is some ES series. Yeah, the Donatoni have got a big stand. I think you can hear me, I hope. Because if you don't, then, well, you don't. It's not something that I've got a special microphone. What is this doing? She's lifting something. Well, that's fine. Yeah? Oh, quite cool. Quite cool. I've been to the Donatoni headquarters, which was really fun, at least for me. So I would suggest that you guys, if you've got the opportunity, do it yourself. So, you know, the company is big, but the way how I see this is the operators, if they don't help each other, then we don't actually get 100% of the capacity of what the machine can do. So again, the power is in the community, and we have this forum, Donatoni Jet, Britso and CNCs, where people share their details, their questions, their helps, their solutions. So I will post that in the comment or in the description so you guys can visit. But I think this is the most important thing, that we help each other, and after that we get the machinery. So we first need to understand what we're getting, so then we can get the best out of it straight away. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Not that I showed you a lot, but that's the whole point of my videos, that I show what I want. So if you like it, you know, smash the like button and comment maybe. Anyway, that's it. And that was Donatoni